Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, Ever Best Arabic Advisor. We are learning Arabic alphabets and we are learning in groups. We have divided the equal shaped letters in groups. It is very easy because many letters of Arabic are very similar in their basic shapes, but the presence of the dot and the numbering of the dot make it different from each other. So we have done 9 lessons so far. If you have not watched all that videos, you may find the link in the description in the I button. And you must watch all this video if you really want to learn Arabic because letters in order should be memorized because every letter has its own property and you will learn it by heart. Here we will discuss group number 10 in which we discuss 3 letters: fa, qaf, kaf. Fa, qaf, kaf. Let's try how to write it. The round circle will be the string shape. This is fa. But when the round circle goes with the circle, it is qaf. And it is kaf with the stick and this one, and it is attached usually. If you feel it is actually like this, but we in writing may attach it. So these are the 3 letters. Let's try writing it again. How to write a circle with a straight shape is a fa. A circle with the circle shape qaf with 2 dots, and kaf is actually in this shape and this stick over there. Why I'm emphasizing on stick, you will see in the half shape because in half shape, when letters are joined in the middle, in the end, and the beginning sentence, only the stick is used to represent the letter kaf. So let's move to the next section where we will learn what are the equivalents. Equivalent of letter fa in English is f, and of qaf in English is q, q, and for equivalent for letter kaf in English is letter k. Fa, qaf, kaf, f, q, k. The phonics of the fa is just like f in fan, and for qaf, q, just like q in q in q, and for letter k, it is like k, just like k in kettle. So let's move toward the articulation point. Fa is pronounced from the lips, but when the upper lip, but if you repeat it your lips, the upper lip touch the lower two incisors. Upper lip touch the lower two incisors. If it is your mouth open, your nose, and these are your lower teeth, the upper lip touch the lower two incisors. Upper lip will touch the lower two incisors. The fa, fa is pronounced. And for cough and cough, both belong to one group, and that belongs to the tongue. It is your nose, lips, and chin, and it is your throat. And from here, your tongue is prolonged outside. From this point, when the root of the tongue touch the equivalent to the upper side of the palate. Upper side of the palate, to your palate, upper side of your palate, the cough and cough are pronounced. But the difference is that this part of the palate is a hard part, and from here the soft part of the palate starts. When the root of the tongue touch the soft part of the palate, cough is pronounced. When the root of the tongue touches the soft part of the palate, cough is pronounced. And for cough, when the root of the tongue touches the hard part of the palate, cough is pronounced. Qaf is one of the heavy letters among the seven heavy letters of the Arabic, and Kaf is a light letter. Both are pronounced from the root of the tongue, but when it touches the soft palate, Qaf is pronounced, and when it touches the hard palate, Kaf is pronounced. So you see, these are the letters Fa, Qaf, and Kaf. Do practice it if you want to do very good pronunciation. So do visit my site and subscribe my channel if you want to learn Arabic thoroughly. Assalamu alaikum.